Hello and welcome to my first ever YouTube unboxing of the new Switch On album by Astro. I just got my albums from a group order and I bought 4 copies because they were Apple Music, and this way I got all of Minyuk's pre-order benefits and lucky draw. Minyuk Rocky's my bias, and then also Dongmin's my bias, so ciao no. So I'm manifesting them in these albums. I've got 4, and of course I also got the pre-order benefits, which I'm going to show you. First off, we have Jin Jin. It's such a lovely photo card. I really like it. MJ. I only got 4 pre-order benefits because obviously I have 4 albums. MJ, I really like this card. He's really cute. Sana. It's like the cutest card ever. Like ever. And then of course we have Minyuk. Oh, I love his hair like this. Like, I really like it. Then we have the Apple Music Lucky Draws. This is one of Rocky's lucky draw cards. The Polaroid. I still can't believe I really have this card. It's so beautiful. This is, I think, out of all the pre-order cards, this is my favorite because look at the guy. And then we have Pink. Chano. I'm really happy about this card. So I'm really pleased with my pre-order benefits. I'm going to put these 2 on top just to manifest something because I really want their cards. I will be happy with anything, but these 2 are my biases, so let's pray. All right, I'm going to get the albums out and we go into the unboxing. All right, so I'm gonna start with this version, the On version, and I don't know how to open it because I saw many unboxings, and if you open it like this, you'll see the Polaroid. Otherwise, you'll see the lyric book. I'm actually really nervous. All right, we're gonna do it like this so we see the lyric book. All right, 3, 2, 1. It's Bin, right? It's Bin. Oh, we got the Bin photo book. Look at him. What photo book? Not lyric book, Mario, please. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, we got a Bin. We got a Bin. We got a Bin. Then, of course, the lyrics. All right. I'm just going to do the cards, not a flip through of the album, just my pulls. Oh, these stickers are literally everything. I saw the behind the scenes from this photo shoot, and they just added subtitles, so really happy about that. All right, Polaroid. All right, 3, 2. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. I manifested it. Oh my god. Yes, look at him. Oh my goodness. A big fat fucking yes. Oh yes. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Oh my god, yes. Okay, that's good. That's amazing. That's amazing. All right, let's see who my postcard is. A postcard here. Yeah. All right. Next up, postcard. In 3, 2, 1. Sana. Oh, I really loved his hair this comeback. Like, he looks really good this comeback, so I'm really happy with this. Oh, he looks really good. So far, so good. We have a Bin, we have a Uno, and we have a Sana. So now let's go to the photo cards. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Yes, 1,000 times yes. Oh my god, look at this. I think Lana had this and we were gonna trade for MJ, so sorry, Lana. Oh my god, and I saw this was MJ because I was, oh my god, look at this. Oh yes. Oh, this is really good. Oh my god, the first album. We have a Bin, we have a Uno, we have a Rocky, we have everything. This is perfect. Oh my god. I'm really excited about this, guys. I'm really, really excited. All right, let's get the other version. So this is the off version. I think I'm going to open it the same way like last time. Then we'll see the lyric book in 3, 2, MJ! We got an MJ lyric book. Lana has Rocky and the group, so now I have Ben and MJ who are her biases, so that's nice. It's also Sophie's bias, MJ, so that's also good for trading. So, ooh, I like it. Okay, stickers. I absolutely love the stickers. Like, this photo shoot was everything. They just dropped it on us, and I was not expecting it, but it's so good. All right, Polaroid time. In 3, 2. Oh my god, I got a bin Polaroid. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Look at him. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm really, really happy with that. What's this? Oh, universe. All right. All right, on to the postcard. 3, 2. MJ! Oh, I really love his hair, and I really love this photo shoot. I think out of the 2 concepts, this is my favorite. Oh, I like this a lot. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy. All right, on to the last 2 pools. All right, I'm going to do it like this right now because last time. 3, 2. MJ! I just told you how much I like his hair, and now he comes again. This is really, really nice. I like him. All right, next one. 3, 2. Oh, yes! I got a pink hair dongman. I got a pink hair dongman. Oh my god. I have a Rocky photo card, a Minyuk photo card now, and a dongman photo card, so oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Again, the pools are amazing. They're amazing. Oh, I really love this concept. That's like my favorite. I'm gonna say it. It's my favorite. It's my favorite. All right, next 2. We're going with the on version again. Let's start with that one. I'm gonna flip over. We know how this works. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Oh, yes! Oh, sorry, but I really wanted this. OG6. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is so good. Yes. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. I'm just so excited about this. I really, really wanted this because obviously I want Minyuk's set, but the group is just... Oh, look at them. They were so gorgeous. Like, all of them. Oh, okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. 3, 2. What is it, a dupe? Is it a dupe? Oh, Sophie's gonna love me because it's a dupe. I got 2, so we can trade. All right, we got 2. That's great, actually. Yeah, that's really nice because it's Sophie's bias, so we can trade. That's good. All right. Postcard. 3, 2. Yes, another group one. Oh, I'm really happy with this. I really like the group things. I saw these also from the other version, and I was hoping I would get the group one. And now I have it. It's so nice. I really like the comeback stage with these outfits as well. It's really good. Like, they changed hair, but the outfits still look bomb on the guys. Like, bomb. All right, next up. The only person we don't have a card from is Jinjin, I think. All right, 3, 2. It's another duplicate, but it's okay because I know people who buys MJ, so I can trade. All right, next one. 3, 2. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, he's so beautiful, you guys. You have no idea how much I love this guy. He's one of my ultimate biases, and I'm actually really in love with this. Oh my god. Yes. Minya came home. Minya came home. That was everything at the universe thing. Just a quick... Yeah, that was everything. Oh my god. Sophie's gonna love me because now I have two pink hair Polaroids. And I have a duplicate MJ photo card, so that's good. All right, 3, 2, 1. Another OG6! Yay! I'm actually really happy with this. I really am. It's really, really nice. Because maybe then I can trade it for a Minyuk. So, it's really good. All right. Stickers. Lovely stickers. Polaroid. All right, Minyuk, please come home. Please, please come home. 3, 2, 1. Sana. Oh, I really like this. He's really, really gorgeous. Oh, yes. I really like his hair. I really do. I really, really do. All right. Like this photo shoot with the white shirts. Oh, hello. Yeah, it's really my favorite. All right, 3, 2. Yes! Oh my god, yes! Yes, this is my favorite concept. Oh, Minyuk, please. Oh my god, and look at the pictures on the background from last era. Oh my god. Am I the luckiest girl in the world? I think so, yes. Oh my god. Look at him. Oh. All right. Last 2 photo cards, and then we're done. All right. 3, 2. Another. I have 3 of these now. 3. Minya. MJ, like, I love you. I do, but if you come for me, like, multiple times, please do it in different cards, please. Thank you. All right, last one. 3, 2. Another dupe? Is it a dupe? Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, it's another dupe. But Sophie's gonna love me because I can trade with her now. It's another duplicate, but that's okay because I got this. All right, that was actually really nice. That was actually really good. Yeah. Well, there you have it. All of my pulls from my Switch on albums. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed opening this on camera for the first time. I hope you like it too, and hopefully I'll see you next comeback. Bye!